All right, and we're back, folks, with the Villanova Winter Olympics. Our next event is going to be a sneeze-off, pitting two competitors against one another to see who can say bless you to a sneezing human the fastest. As a school with a long-standing tradition of valuing courteous civilities over social consciousness and empathy, it will be a well-watched event, to be sure. It will be taking place in the reading room of the Falvey Memorial Library, and we're about to go there live, right now.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And there you have it, folks. Matthew of Sheehan Hall takes home the gold. Congrats to both of our competitors, even though one of you is a loser. As signing off today, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Kick-Lickin' Chicken. If it's not Kick-Lickin', it is not our chicken. That's all, and be sure to stay tuned for the Villanova Winter Olympics.